Okay, now passing to Penzance from Cardiff Central, this race from railway HS2. Sorry, I'm just trying to get a better view of this train. I don't know which way is better. I think that's better. Goes railway HS2 to Penzance from Cardiff Central, so it's a 4-coach train. Right, I'm going to try and run for it, try and get a better shot from over here. This should do. There we go, that's a better shot. Lovely honk from the driver there. That was a nice class 43 heading out there. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and any questions put in the comment section. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.